E, which means the second letter, it'll give the has to be E. So then we have Dean and Ned, who have an E in their second letter or called second position. So this is called regular expressions, which is probably the easiest I can start with binary stuff. Next we're going to do is the third example. So we're going to do our first name contains letters B and C, capital and lowercase. Select from where. Last but certainly not least, we're going to do something that does not contain the letter S. So select from order is the same organized idea, and the first name does not contain the letter S. So these are the names that don't contain the letter S in the first name. So yeah, that's how you do it. It's easy and simple, and it's not that hard. You just have to keep on practicing. It took me a while to understand what regular expressions are and how to use it. I hope this helps with you learning how to use SQL, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.